Good morning, everyone. Happy Women's Day. Actually, I should be saying this 365 days a year. Every day is Women's Day. Thank you. So, we shouldn't think that, okay, one day we'll all do everything special for women and then forget everything for the next 364 days. I want to make it very brief as there are many speakers. Don't let anyone make you feel inferior. That's one of the main points which I wanted to convey to you. Because if you look at the traditional male-dominant society, they use the word after all. After all, a woman. Right? You would have heard this language, the sexist language which says after all. Don't let anybody make you feel any inferior. The Mahakavi Bharatiyar said, Madardamai izhivu seyyum madamayai koluthuvom. What it means is any act which makes you feel inferior, which puts you down, let's burn that practice. That's what Mahakavi Bharatiyar said. Let's follow those words. I think the true empowerment, the true women empowerment comes from financial independence. You should be able to earn independently. You should not be dependent on anyone. So when you talk about financial independence, for you get true empowerment, it can be attained through education and skill development. And especially an institution like VIT plays a big role in where we admit thousands of girls every year and provide education, and we have seen many of the girls highly empowered because of education. So that's the message which I want each and every person here to convey to every girl in the society and every parent in the society, every male in the society, where education becomes the key weapon against any kind of suppression. When I talk about skill development, I was very happy to see not just in white-collar jobs where women have come, even in blue-collar jobs, such as, for example, when I go to a gas pump, in the petrol station, I see a woman trying to fill up the gas, fill up the petrol. And it's a real change which happens at the grassroots. And I see, if you go through the national highway, in the toll booth, now I see girls sitting there and collecting the toll or checking the vehicles for toll. That's real empowerment. We just don't talk about people who are in the highermost echelons, but people at the grassroots level getting empowered. So I'm very happy to see that. But one thing I noticed is that when I travel in the night, I don't see any toll booth operator as a girl. Why is that? What Mahatma Gandhi has said, the day a woman can walk freely on the roads at night, that's the day we can say India has attained independence. Have we really attained independence? We should all think about what's going on in our society. Why is there so many crimes against women only? Why is there crime? It's a wake-up call to us. Why can't we employ girls during night for the toll booth collection? So the point I want to make is our society needs to change the mindset. How we nurture, how we bring up our boys versus how we bring up our girls in our families. When a girl goes late home, each parent asks the question, why are you late to home? What's going on? But if a boy goes late, they take it easy. Right? That's how boys will be. That's the kind of wrong attitude. Why can't we enforce such good discipline also for boys? That way the society can change. The crimes against women should come down. We should all fight against such evils in this society. We have heard of so many incidences, whether it's Nirbhaya incident or what happened in Gindi last year or Coimbatore recently. You would have all seen the judgment. We should all stand up against such crimes against women. Talking about equality, I'm so proud. I'm living in Tamil Nadu, where equal rights for women, gender equality has been practiced for many decades. Even as early as 1927, our leader, Periyar, EVR, has passed a resolution demanding equal property rights for women as same as men. The daughters and sons should get the same rights in the property. And when it was implemented, actually after independence, Tamil Nadu was the first state in 1989. Kalaignar introduced amendment to Hindu Succession Act where women got the same right as men. Only nationally it was amended later. So Tamil Nadu stands as a pioneer and very proud that our state leads in gender equality. And the last point which I wanted to mention is about the glass ceiling. As you all young students today, tomorrow hit the career ladder. As you climb up the career ladder, there is a glass ceiling in the society, not just in India, throughout the world. The number of CEOs in the world, how many are women, what percentage of CEOs are women, what percentage of the women are in the boardroom making decisions. There is a glass ceiling. We need to break that glass ceiling. Both men and women need to work towards breaking that glass ceiling. So it will involve long hours at work, full responsibility in your career. So that's where men need to pitch in the family responsibilities also. Only if men take up the equal responsibility, then women can succeed in their career. That's the request for men. And in fact, I'm so proud that at VIT, in the top management group, number of women exceed the number of men. Let's give a big round of applause, whether it's our Vice Chancellor, Registrar, and top execs. So you will see that the decisions made have a clear edge because we also, the boards, think about women's viewpoint. I would like to close here with one last quote by Mahakavi Bharati. It's about the privilege of being born as a woman. Mangaya Prapadarku Madhavam Seididal Vendum Amma. Thank you.